Hello friends, today I am going to explain and I am going to give you solution for the phone storage is damaged on a oppo mobile phone. It is very simple. You can remove some nails just like this. You can remove back cover first of all. Removing this, you can remove each cords just like this because it is compulsory to study and compulsory to view and test about phone storage. In this era, you can see the phone's storage is damaged. Please download a firmware package to replace the phone's firmware. And you can see and other information. Turn on awaken Google Assistant by pressing power button for the 0.5 seconds because it is not working. Sometimes this is happening due to the hardware and software error. Most time this is happening to the hardware error. Sometimes memory may be damaged or incorrect sparking, incorrect voltage unbalancing, such thing. You can remove motherboard just like this. It is very simple. You can see you can remove some cables just like this. You can disconnect some cables. Now you can clean storage IC just like this because some impurities, some oxides may be occurring and covering on the this IC. Sometimes it may be tend to some voltage leakage due to the oxide depositing. You can remove additional thing. This is one method. You can remove additional oxides just like this. You can remove and clean it using some brush. You can insert motherboard just like this because we need to test whether it is working or not working after completion of this. It is very simple process. You can turn on the power button. In this video, in this phone, it is not working to this method. You can see it after completion of oppo loading process because this may take several times because you can see in this phone this is not working because some phones it may be work. You can remove motherboard again. You can carefully view IC and circuit unit using microscope. You can see each nook and corner. After completion of some viewing process using microscope, you can remove additional lead cords and lead oxides just like this using some both soldering iron. It is very simple process. You can insert and you can attach motherboard into the battery and other connectors. You can insert back cover and you can hard reset your software also because sometimes this may be occurring due to the software error. I hope to reset it just like this by long pressing such buttons. You can see it is working. It is flashing. Sorry, it is not flashing. It is software hard reset. You can see oppo is loading. You can select language. You can see other countries and other settings just like this. It is very simple process. You can give continue. You can skip some additional processes. It is very simple process. You can carefully read some terms and conditions. You can give accept. You can give some skip option. You can continue. You will ask some additional information. You can fill and tick some of them, because it is depending on your operating system and oppo mobile phone version. You can find welcome screen. You can see some messages. It is not compulsory event. You can see storage after completion of this. You can see storage damage message not showing here. You can see some storage. You can see it. You can see full storage. I think this video will helpful for you. I think you will subscribe me. If you have any question, please comment, and you can give like, share for this video. After completion of this, you can attach remote nails just like this. It is very important and compulsory process for the security of your mobile phone. You can insert back cover of this mobile phone. Thanks for watching my YouTube videos, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel to get new updates. You can see finally it is working very well.